Hello my viewers around the globe, welcome to my channel. In this very tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can spot trade on Bitmart. In simple terms, I'm going to give you a spot trading tutorial on Bitmart. So just stick with me until the very end. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any video from Small Crypto. Like and comment on this very channel. And if you have a question, please leave it in the comment section below. I will answer all your questions one by one. So let's dive straight into the video. When you come on Bitmart, it looks like this. I will leave the link below so that you can open an account with Bitmart. So you can open a Bitmart account using email or the telephone number. So when you come here, you can put your email, you put your password, then you can add your referral ID. This one is optional, but when you use my link, automatically my referral code will be there. So you clarify that you're above 18 years and you sign up. Or else you can use a phone number. You put your phone number, the password, the referral link as you can see. Then you clarify that you're 18 and above. Then you sign up. So once you sign up, Bitmart account will look like this. You can see it. You'll find here buy, sell, markets, there is trade, futures, and many more and many more. Also, I'll give you a tutorial on how you can use this very exchange. Once you're here, you will come on trade. Then you click on spot trading. So this is how Bitmart spot trading looks like. So first of all, this is not a financial advice. You have to make your own research on the coins that you're going to buy, most especially on spot trading. So to me, I'm going to use BTC USDT. So I'll go straight to spot trading. When you come on spot trading, then there will be buy and sell. Then you will find limit, market, trigger, there is spot limit and advanced limit. So I'll explain one by one. Just stick with me until the very end. So with spot, when you're using limit, in limit, we select our own price when we want to enter the market. You come here, you put your price when you want to enter the market. Let's say I want to enter, might be at 28. Once it reaches on that specific price, automatically you'll enter the market. So you put the amount, you can put the amount using the percentage, or you can put the amount specifically like this. So once you are done with that, automatically you will select buy. So when it comes to market, for the case of the market, you buy at the best market price. In simple terms, you buy at this specific market price. Once you put the market, what you need to do, you put the only amount that you want to buy or you want to use. So once you are done, you will select automatically buy BTC. Exchanger will buy using that specific price that is there. So when you come on trigger, here you have to put two prices. There is order price and trigger price. So here I mean, when you put the order price, it means once it reaches on the order price that you have put, let's say I've put that right now I'm on 29,904 on the current price. But to me, I can say that this is the current price that I want to order the price. So once it reaches on the order price, automatically it will enter the market and your order will be sent on the order book just right here. Yes, I have entered the order price, but now I expect that the market might go down up 28, might be like this. So what I do, I put the trigger price. So once it reaches on this very price that I've set of 28 something there, automatically the market will buy itself, and now you start might be making profits or making losses. So that's how you can use trigger. So when it comes to stop limit, this stop limit is almost the same because there is a trigger price and there is order price, as I've explained, just it is almost the same. So when it comes to sell, the sell it is the same. The way you have used limit, market in buying, it is the same way you're going to use it in selling automatically. So hope you have understood everything for today. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon. Bye for today. Good luck.